How to view your weekly screen time report. Screen time lets you track how much time you spend using your device, including app usage, notifications, and screen pickups. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. If screen time isn't enabled yet, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're in the Screen Time menu, tap See All Activity. At the top of the screen, you'll see two tabs, Day and Week. Simply tap Week to view your weekly screen time report. Here you can check your total screen time, see which apps you've used the most, view daily averages, the number of notifications you've received, and how many times you've picked up your iPhone throughout the week. That's it. You've successfully viewed your weekly screen time report. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.